Do you know what this person does? She is a helicopter pilot. Helicopter pilots pilot helicopters. There are two types of helicopter pilot: civilian and military. A civilian helicopter pilot pilots helicopters for a business or government. A military helicopter pilot pilots helicopters for an army, a navy, a coast guard, or an air force. Being a civilian helicopter pilot is very interesting because civilian helicopters are used to do many exciting jobs. They spray crops. They take aerial photos. They transport people on and off oil rigs. They take tourists on sightseeing tours. They monitor the traffic. They fight fires. They track criminals escaping in cars. They transport patients from car crashes to hospitals. Being a military helicopter pilot is also very interesting because military helicopters are used to do many exciting jobs. They monitor the sea for submarines. They engage in aerial combat. They transport heavy equipment. They rescue combatants from dangerous situations. Becoming a qualified helicopter pilot takes thousands of hours of flight experience. You need to be good at math, be physically fit, and have lots of money. So start saving today. This is the end of the documentary. Why not watch the documentary again? And when you're ready, move on to the quiz questions.